Welcome to the Evolve Volumizer post-installation and at-home maintenance video. Congratulations for selecting the Evolve Volumizer as your #1 hair enhancement solution. Proper use of the information on this video will provide you with a trouble-free wearing experience and provide optimum performance and durability to your volumizer. On this video, you will learn how to brush, handle, shampoo, condition, and style your volumizer. We will begin with the daily routine of how to brush your volumizer, as daily and proper brushing of the volumizer is by far the most important step to trouble-free maintenance. You should brush your volumizer at least 2 to 3 times per day to help maintain any hair integration and to extend the integrity of the system itself. Note, curly textures should not be brushed when dry. Only brush these textures before shampooing and when wet. Never, I repeat, never brush your volumizer in an aggressive manner. The key word when brushing wet or dry is gentle. Remember, always brush gently, never aggressively. Brushing. When brushing, the maintenance brush will be your best tool. Use the maintenance brush provided to you, which is specifically designed with rigid plastic pins with protective tips and bristle hair. This combination will detangle, smooth, and polish the hair while retightening the volumizer with every brushing, and restricts any integrated hair from slipping back under the mesh base to prevent matting of the natural hair. Never use brushes that are not suitable for daily maintenance of your volumizer. Do not use loop brushes or hair extension brushes with plastic, steel pin, or loops, as these brushes can cause damage and are not recommended by the manufacturer. Only use the maintenance brush provided for daily brushing. When possible, your stylist will integrate your natural hair as far as possible through the base of the net. Using the maintenance brush regularly helps to keep the integrated hairs integrated and blended with your volumizer for an undetectable finished look. It is important to understand that your volumizer is made with 100% Remy hair, which means that the cuticle layer of each hair is intact and lines up in the same direction. Hairs pointing in the opposite direction can cause matting, as the hair layers will grab onto each other, causing matting of the volumizer. Therefore, brushing your volumizer 2 to 3 times daily is essential for the system's hair, integrity, and durability, along with the following additional guidelines on this video. Once thoroughly brushed, wet the hair with your shower set on a moderate or soft stream of water. Avoid high water pressure, as this can reverse the integration of your natural hair through the volumizing base. Adjust the water flow as necessary until it is a soft water pressure. Next, wet both the volumizer and the natural hair underneath the volumizer thoroughly. Apply a small amount of shampoo into the palm of your hands and emulsify by rubbing your hands together. Never pour shampoo or conditioner directly onto the volumizer. Apply the emulsified shampoo at the base of the volumizer and onto the natural hair in a dabbing technique. In most cases, your first shampoo may not foam up, as it is providing the primary cleansing process. Do not add more shampoo at this time, as it may become difficult to rinse out. Once you have completed the first shampoo application, rinse thoroughly with tepid water in a gentle stream of pressure. Now shampoo a second time using the same technique. Adding a small amount of water as you shampoo will aid in the shampoo penetrating the volumizing base most effectively to cleanse your own hair underneath the volumizer. Adding more shampoo to the lengths and mids is not necessary. Continue rinsing until you hear and feel no soap bubbles on the hair. Conditioner. As shampoo is for the scalp, conditioner is for the mid-shaft and ends of the hair. Avoid applying conditioner directly to the volumizing base, as it will be difficult to thoroughly rinse out and may leave a residue underneath the volumizing base. Dispense a small amount of conditioner into the palm of your hand and emulsify before applying to the hair. Using your fingers as the applicator, gently comb the conditioner through the mid-length and ends. Remove any excessive conditioner by gently squeezing the hair. Rinse thoroughly with a moderate stream of water pressure so as to remove any conditioning residue from underneath the volumizer that could cause irritation. Once completed, gently brush any slight tangles from the hair, beginning at the ends and working up towards the volumizing base. Begin styling and drying at the perimeter of your own hairline and work up towards the top of the head. As with laying shingles on a roof, dry one layer at a time and then proceed up to the next layer, always laying dry hair over previously dried hair sections. Repeat this same technique until all of your hair not used in volumizer installation is dry. When drying your own hair or volumizer hair, never take a section of hair wider than the diameter of the brush or tool being used. Remember, the smaller the section, the better the control. Therefore, your section to dry or style should be equal to or smaller than the brush or tool being used. Once your own hair is dry, it is now time to begin drying your volumizer. Relax, it's just hair. Never use combs on the volumizer to avoid stretching of the hair or snagging and tearing the volumizer base. Begin styling and drying the volumizer just as you would have done your own hair. Take small sections equal to or smaller than the diameter of the brush or tool being used. Direct airflow out from the head form, never directly into the scalp or volumizer base. Use the nozzle or concentrator to focus, control, and direct the airflow. Always remember, hot air dries hair, yet cold air holds hair. Finish each section dried with hot air with a blast of cold air. This will help close the cuticle of the hair shaft, providing smoothness and shine. It will also aid in preventing tangles and helps to lock your new volumizer look into place. Finishing. Once drying is complete, one may use small amounts of detailing and finishing products to enhance the finished look. Always remember, less is more. Avoid applying excessive products whenever possible, as what you put on you will need to shampoo out. Add a light touch of hairspray. Always keep your hairspray nozzle 8 to 12 inches from the hair when applying. Short bursts and a lighter layered application are best when applying hairspray. You look incredible. Now go get them.